Do what your heart says and you'll be successful. Can we implement this philosophy in the investing world? Should you consider passion trading? Hello and welcome to today's video. You've often heard this many successful leaders say, do what you like, do what your heart says, do what your heart tells you, and you'll be successful. Don't be concerned about the outcome. Just go ahead and do it. Just do the work and you'll get the results. How does this work? Can we implement this philosophy in the investing world? Should you consider passion trading? In this video, we'll see just that. So like this video right away and subscribe this channel so this video can reach out to a lot of people. So first, let's try and understand what passion investing is all about. What do you mean by passion investing? The concept behind doing something or owning an asset that you like, which you feel from your heart, from within your heart, from within the inside, something that pleases your soul, and it also helps you get returns from it. That falls under the purview of passion investing. Look, if we just break down this word, passion investing, the word passion comes first and then investing. So it's evident that we follow our passion first and then convert that into investments. Now let's see first how does it fit in the trading world. Now if you're a trader and you're trading in the market for a very, very long period of time and you've also made some profits, you might develop a notion that you like trading, you love trading, you enjoy making the profit, it excites you. However, when you make some losses, it makes you rethink your strategy, it makes you rethink the trading plan that you have, you rethink before you put in the next trade. Now, if you're in this scenario, just take a step back and ask yourself a question. What is it that you like in trading? Do you like the profits? Do you like the returns that the market gives you? Are you focused on the outcome? Or are you just enjoying the game? Does the market fluctuations make you nervous? Have you ever had an anxious night's sleep because of the market volatility? Has that happened? Put off live trades and go back to the demo terminal and just try and see how you perceive the market without your real money into it. Put arbitrary trades and see how you react to it without the pressure of your real cash, without the real cash. See, even if we forget the money for a moment, even occasionally, we would be free and creative. But it might be hard for you to do, but it's really worth for you to try and give this as a perspective. The reason being, the more you focus on the process of the trade rather than the outcome, the more you can trade in your peak performance state. Now just close your eyes and ask these questions all over again. Ask these questions. What do you feel? Do you really feel you enjoy the process of trading? Or is it just that the profits that you enjoy? Do you really feel the being in the market, being present in the market excites you? Or is it just that the market fluctuations, volatility, and the market tensions that gives you the nerve or that makes you perform well? What does it do? Which one is correct for you? These are two different scenarios. One, either you enjoy the process or you enjoy the results. If you enjoy the process, then this market is for you, then trading is for you. If you just enjoy the results, then you're probably focusing more on the outcome and not on the process. I would recommend you stay away from trading. That is not your passion. Now let's see how it falls in the investing world. Investment is not all about stocks, bonds, or the capital market or the financial market. See, outside the traditional investing products, there are many different things. People are investing in different asset classes, rare jewelries, paintings, vintage cars, antiques, wine, and so many things. Now, what's more important to focus here on is the aesthetics and the cultural value of those assets and the potential returns those assets might give you. Now, since these are not time bound like the market, these are purchased emotionally. You cannot analyze these assets and segregate them as time bound or, give a risk appetite to these assets or all these that becomes a part of the capital market. You cannot put those parameters here. The parameter that works here is the emotional aspect of these assets. And that's what makes these investments speculative. It has to be approached with a detailed, well-defined framework as you approach any other investing. However, if done correctly and systematically, you can have the best of both the worlds. A constantly evolving collections of articles of whatever you're interested in, and also it becomes a way to diversify your portfolio. Well, each different luxury items have their different pros and cons. So it's best to choose the ones that you love and have some knowledge of it. So considering passion assets as a part of your portfolio can be exciting because it offers a good diversification. Why? Because they are unlikely to depreciate over time. On top of that, they are safe from the market volatility. They are independent of the stock market. They are independent of the market completely. And hence, it might give you a peaceful night's sleep. It does not depend on the volatility. At least major part of it doesn't depend on the market volatility. And being a part of a sophisticated investment, some of this might have a huge potential to give you good returns. Now let's see how these assets might have performed in the past and should you go for it or not. So the graph you see here is from the 2023 Knight Frank Wealth Report. It says, you see in the graph it says artwork has given 29% returns or maybe 91% in 10 years. Cars, luxury vintage old cars have given 185% in 10 years, 147% in watches, handbags 74%, 162% in wines, 59% in coins, 44% in jewelries, 34% in furniture, 16% in colored diamonds, and my God, rare whiskey. We all know this, 373%. That is huge. I understand these are rare elements. These are way too expensive for common people like us. But if you have one, if you have got hold to something like this, if you can manage to get something like this once in your lifetime at least, just imagine the kind of returns it gives you. Well, it's not all that easy. There is a high risk involved in it because passion investing is substantially different from other investment markets. Undertaking a detailed due diligence is a very crucial thing for any investor. Without substantial knowledge about the authentic product, if you buy anything like that, you will fall for a trap. It might be a fake. So the risk of being or purchasing a fake item is there. And the second thing is, even if you have them, even if you have the original product, even if you have the authentic product, a big headache comes to keep it safe and secure, and a big problem of liquidity when you need your cash. Well, now the big question, should I invest? Should you invest? Well, see, passion investing cannot be linked to your life goals. If you have a goal in your life, if you want to achieve something maybe 5-10 years from now, you cannot plan doing that with a passion asset. Contrary to the popular belief that the passion assets are strongly correlated with the stock market, is it? Now, with the onslaught of the pandemic, the passion asset industry also took a huge hit. So be very careful. Buy a passion asset only for the sheer joy of owning it, not for profits, not for making returns out of it. Just to have a possession of the unique piece. If you want to enjoy that, enjoy the feeling of having a unique product with you, own it. If you plan to sell it off, make profit, or make money from that investment, this may not be the right vehicle. And ensure you have sufficient knowledge of that asset before you purchase it, and have all legal paperwork to have it in your possession. That's all for today. See you again in the next video. Till then, SZ signing off. Goodbye.